The Pima JTED is a place where students can find their own path to a career. For some, it's an opportunity to try something new, maybe get out of their comfort zone. And for others, JTED is a way of life. And Cassidy Camp embodies what it means to have a JTED way of life.
Yeah, because I have no time at all to do anything else but JTED.
Cassidy is a senior at Tank Verde High School and is now finishing up her third Pima JTED program. After this year, she will have completed the precision manufacturing, construction technology, and heavy equipment operation programs.
I've just always been into construction aspect of it. I like being able to build houses and walls and remodels and being able to do my own work hands-on. I've learned a lot that I probably wouldn't have been able to learn in a regular class. I'm not really the type of person to be able to just sit down and be at a desk, so I like to be up and moving. It's very hands-on, so instead of reading it out of a book, which we do also, but once we read it out of a book and take tests, we can go run the equipment, or we can go build a chair, or build a table, or build a little playhouse.
And with all these skills, Cassidy is planning on following in her parents' footsteps.
So I want to be able to own my own general contracting business in my future.
Both of Cassidy's parents own their own contracting businesses, and she is not far behind.
The way they run their business, and I want to do that. I want to be able to run my business and see the way customers look when they see the job finished. My dad has been a huge inspiration to me and has pushed me and helped me become stronger.
Even with all of her tools, Cassidy realizes the challenges she has ahead.
It's hard because most men don't think that women can do a man's job, but I'm ready to face those challenges, so it's awesome. I'll be driving like with my friends or something to the mall or across town somewhere. I'll be like, hey, like I did a job over there and I did this and I remodeled their bathroom and I tiled all this, and it's cool because you can go around town and say you worked here and you worked there, and a lot of people can't say that, and it's a good feeling because you can say like your customer liked it, and that's like a humble feeling. It's nice.
After she graduates, Cassidy is planning on going to Pima Community College to earn her business degree. Then, she will work towards her contractor's license to be able to start her own company.
It's just crazy like looking back and seeing where I was and where I am now. It's like, it's nice, it's a good feeling.